We trick ourselves into thinking that sustainability is a costly problem that's hard to do business on. We should stop doing that and start thinking differently about it so that we can start utilizing the power of this to improve your business and make more impact on the world. My name is Jasper Steinhausen. I'm the founder of Business with Impact, and this is Outside Perspective, where, as usual, I give you perspectives on issues in the intersection between sustainability and business. So listen to this, and whatever you do now, do not think of a pink elephant. So now what's the image you have on your brain? I guarantee you it's one of a pink elephant. Because this is how the brain works. Whatever we focus on is what we are having on our internal screen. So what do you think happened when we constantly tell ourselves that sustainability is a problem, it's a burden, it's expensive, it's hard to connect to business, and basically it all boils down to discussions around who needs to pay to solve this problem? Well, exactly, that's what happens. That's the narrative, that's what's imprinted in your brain. But if you look around, you will see that there are so many ways and so many examples of sustainability, and especially if you work through circular economy, that makes it easier, I find, where you cut costs, reduce waste, improve quality, use this for innovation. Many examples as well of increased sales, not just because of branding, but because we create new and better solutions, of customer loyalty, of attracting more talent, of increased productivity, and so on and so on and so on. This is really a critical business agenda, and it's a solid tool in the leadership toolbox. But because of how we talk about this, nobody really gets to see this. So it's no wonder that if you feel like, hey, yeah, I'm guilty of doing this as well, because this is a global narrative. I find everywhere I look, people talk about sustainability as it is this burden, this problem, and I think the key reason is that most people who get the sustainability part, the technical skills to handle it, are not that good at at business and leadership and strategy, because it's never been part of their educational background and areas of working. And when you look at those who have the skills on leadership and business and strategy, they have very little understanding of sustainability and all the sort of technical issues related to it, because it's never been part of their educational background and their responsibility. So we lack people who can build that bridge. The bridge that I build and that I do every day with businesses, help them figure out how do we connect it. Because as soon as you do that, it becomes quite clear that this is not just a burden. This is a super effective tool to spot new opportunities, to create better solutions, to reduce waste, to increase the value of the products that you have, and obviously also to make a massive impact on the world. So I would highly encourage you to challenge your thinking about this. I have done lots of other videos and posts and articles and stuff around the actual mindset. It's also very clear in my book, Making Sustainability Profitable, where there's a whole chapter around it, and that shift from what I call the Fatal 5 to 5 to Thrive. So if you want to have more on this and more interested on the details of what the change looks like, go find some of that stuff in some of the other videos, and or simply reach out to me and I'll be happy to guide you towards it. So that's the essence of this video for now. So find, if you have anybody around you that you think needs to have this kind of challenge and see this video, please do share this with just one person. That'll be perfect. And obviously like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.